What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have another video for you guys today, and today's video is going to be part 2, if you want to call that, about the my welder here. I made a video a while ago about this TOOLIOM welder. I picked that one up from Amazon, and it's been a great machine. It's cheap, it's really cheap, but it gets the job done. On the initial video, I reviewed it, I opened it up, and I welded some pieces of the mini bikes. But I guess I wasn't clear enough about how the welds look after using the machine. So there's a few people asking how the welds look, and maybe I didn't show the welds from close. So right now, it's gonna be a perfect opportunity to use this machine again. I'm gonna be putting together a hydraulic press. Nothing fancy. It's just gonna be something to press in some speaker grills that you're gonna see on the next video. I have everything here on my table. All the pieces, I cut them out already. And right now would be the perfect opportunity to show you guys how the welds look using this TOOLIOM, that's the brand, TOOLIOM TL-135M. Okay, this is a gasless machine. I'm not a pro, I'm not a welder, I'm still learning how to weld. I'm gonna do my best to show you guys how the welds look using this machine. So let's get to it. All right, guys, and just after a few minutes, I put together my hydraulic press. As you guys can see, that little machine gets the job done. I'm going to show you right now how the welds look. Nothing impressive, nothing professional, but it gets the job done. If you can see, this is how that machine works. Not that bad. I need to practice a lot more, but yeah, that machine works really, really well for small projects like that. And this is what I wanted to build. This is going to be a small hydraulic press I made. If you want to know more about this, you just get these pins out. I cut me 2 pieces of rebar, and you adjust the height. You can see on the sides here, it's got slots. You can just put it as high as you want or as low as you want, and then adjust the height right here on the bottle jack right here. And this is all I need, guys. I put all this together with scrap metal I had laying around. The jack cost me about 20 bucks at Harbor Freight. I was looking at a hydraulic press like this, and they go for 100, 110, 120 bucks. I saved a lot of money by doing it myself with that little machine. So if you guys want to know more about this press, please let me know. And as far as the welds, for all of you guys asking about the welds, here you guys have them. I mean, for somebody with more experience than me, I'm sure this machine can do a lot better. But I'm still learning, guys. I'm still learning. And yeah, so that was the project for today's video. I wanted to show you the welds because a lot of you guys were asking about the welds. There you guys have it. If you guys have any more questions about the welder, it's a TOOLIOM TL-135M, and this is a gasless machine. I bought this at Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link to the machine in the description box below. Okay, with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Thanks for liking, subscribing. If you guys have any questions about anything, please let me know. We have to continue working on the center console. Remember, I built this press for my speaker grills. I'm gonna do speaker pods, and I need to make my grills. So instead of buying one, I decided just to build one, a lot cheaper. And since I'm not gonna be using this on a daily basis, this is just a once in a lifetime deal, I decided just to put one together. All right, so until the next one, guys, we're gonna be working on the console. We're gonna continue. We're almost there. We're gonna finish it. Okay, so see you guys on the next one. Peace.